Let's cut right through all the hype. We're going to cover the 10 essential AI skills that are actually going to get you real results fast. And no, this isn't about just a bunch of cool party tricks. This is about building a new foundation to save time, get more done, and start using AI like you've been doing it for years. Ever feel like you're maybe on the outside looking in with this whole AI thing? Hey, don't worry, you are not alone. In the next few minutes, we're going to turn any of that uncertainty you might have into pure confidence. And we're starting right now. So here's the deal. We're taking all the noise, all the complexity that's out there about AI, and we're boiling it down into clear, simple steps you can actually use. 10 skills, 5 minutes, and I promise zero confusion. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. All right, first up, we have to learn how to talk to AI. Think of it as learning its language. This part is the absolute foundation for everything else that's going to follow. You get this right, and I'm telling you, you'll be blown away by how easy the rest becomes. Okay, skill number 1 is maybe the most important rule of AI, period. The quality of the answer you get depends completely on the quality of the question you ask. You know, it's garbage in, garbage out. So a vague question like, tell me about marketing, is going to get you a vague, useless answer. But if you ask something specific like, give me 3 low-budget marketing strategies for a new coffee shop, now you're going to get a brilliant, actionable plan. Specificity, that is your new secret weapon. Now, here's where things get really fun. You can instantly make the AI's answers way better just by giving it a role to play. So you can tell it to act as a personal tutor, and suddenly you'll get these patient, step-by-step explanations. Or ask it to act as a chef, and you'll get an amazing recipe with pro tips. It's literally like having a whole team of experts right at your fingertips. Feeling overwhelmed by a big project? We've all been there. The trick is, don't try to solve it all in one go. Ask the AI to break it down for you. This gives the AI the structure it needs to give you a much better, more logical answer. But more importantly, it gives you a clear roadmap to follow from start to finish. Okay, so you've got the basics down. You know how to talk to the AI. Now let's unlock some serious productivity power-ups. These next skills are designed to give you results you can see and feel, like today. Think of them as your new secret weapons for work and for life. You know that feeling, right? You're staring at a messy draft of an email or some notes, and you just can't find the right words. Well, with AI, writer's block is a thing of the past. You can just dump your jumbled thoughts in and ask it to turn them into a polished, professional message. This is an absolute game changer for anyone who has to write, well, pretty much anything. Feeling buried under a mountain of information? This next skill is your lifeline. You can take dense articles, long reports, whatever, and have the AI summarize it in seconds. It just gives you the key points, none of the fluff. Seriously, this is like having a personal research assistant on call 24/7. Want to learn something new? Well, AI is the most patient and personalized tutor you could ever ask for. It can explain really complex stuff in super simple terms. You can even ask it to quiz you to make sure you're getting it, or to give you real-world examples. It's like having a personal mentor for any subject you can think of. All right, so we've mastered the daily grind. Now, let's start to think bigger. This next set of skills is going to help you go from just doing tasks to becoming a real strategic thinker, a creative problem solver, and a master planner. Ah, the dreaded blank page. We've all been there. But with AI, you can just kiss that feeling goodbye. Just ask it for ideas and watch them flow. It doesn't matter if you're brainstorming a new business or just what to make for dinner. AI is the ultimate brainstorming partner. Tired of juggling a million things in your head at once? Let AI be your personal assistant. It can plan out your meals for the whole week, create the shopping list, and even map out your next vacation itinerary down to the minute. It's time to offload all that mental clutter and just let AI handle the details for you. So what about when you're facing a really tough decision? Here's a pro move. Don't just ask the AI for the answer. Ask it for an analysis. Have it lay out the pros and cons of your different options. That way you get this unbiased, logical perspective that helps you make a much smarter, more confident choice. Our final skill is a true game changer. This is where we put everything we've learned together. We're going to move from simply using AI to actually commanding it. Get ready, because this is a whole new level of power and efficiency. Now, I know the word automation might sound a little intimidating, but it's way simpler than you think. All we're talking about is creating simple systems that do the work for you. I mean, imagine a template that automatically fills out your weekly reports, or an auto reply that handles most of your common emails. These little tweaks can save you hours every single week. So, ready to build your first one? It's as simple as filling in the blank. You just say, help me build a simple automation for whatever you need, and then just let the AI guide you through it, step by step. This is your first real step towards a much more efficient life. And there you have it, 10 skills that will fundamentally change the way you work, the way you learn, and the way you create. See, this isn't just about using some new tool. It's about totally upgrading your entire relationship with technology. Feeling inspired? Good. The best way to start is to just pick one of these skills. Just one. Try it out today. I guarantee you'll be amazed at how quickly you see results, and you'll feel your confidence grow with every new thing you try. By taking that first step, you're not just learning a new skill, you're unlocking a whole new way of thinking and working. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. I am so excited to see what you'll create with this. Welcome to your new AI-powered life.